start another scary journey again. This is really scary. I wasn't gonna film this, but there's freaking noodles, and this pile of trees literally looks like a fort. And there's freaking rotten noodles down there. Oh. And this is what Clearfield looks like. If you can see all those little tiny things down there, those are houses and buildings.
And we saw
Do you see the ethanol
and we saw someone was getting ready for a fire.
Yeah, we saw some leaves gathered up like a fire. Bottles.
And we also saw a beer bottle.
We saw a beer bottle that still had beer in it.
What?
What?
What the heck is that?
Guys, I'll be back when we get a little bit higher up. Someone carved this stick.
No, look, there's drawings on it.
There's all sorts of drawings all over it. I'm gonna keep going, guys. I'll be back.
Somebody's drawing.
Willow,
What the heck?
hey, bring her over here. I don't want her down there.
Oh, Ruth, look. Look.
It's all right, Willie. Come on.
Look at that tree. Look at that tree.
She's seeing something. This is a fort here. What, Willow?
Let me hear. What?
Daddy, come get her. She's freaking out about something.
I'm good.
Come get her. Come on.
Okay. It's okay, Willow. Yes. Nobody can tell you.
It's all right, puppy. Just go.
Oh, no, let's go.
Bigfoot isn't gonna get you. I promise. Okay?
I think she sees something down there that she's freaking out about.
It's probably a bunny or a squirrel. We'll be back. We just heard a cracking in the branches over there.
Hey, you wanna climb up that tree? What is that?
It sounded like a beep or something. Hello?
No, we heard a beeping noise.
All right, we'll be back. We heard it again over there. Come on, let's keep going. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Run, run. Come on, guys. Guys, we're at a peak, 2 mountains. Wow. Guys, I also came up here to take pictures because nature is beautiful. Guys, come on. We gotta keep going. We can't keep stopping every 5 seconds just because we think we see someone in the trees. It's just a baby tree between all the big ones. Yeah, I see it. It's fine. They're swaying.
Oh, this is getting so scary.
We're at the point between the 3 hills here. What's that trail up there? All right, guys, there's like a really thick trail up here. Someone's definitely been up here a lot.
Four-wheeler trailer.
Uh-huh.
I can't film that right.
Where's your own one? Oh, wait.
There's cut
Can
wood,
we help you?
like that someone would use to make a fire. There's also a Gatorade bottle that still has Gatorade in it. It's really cold up here. The wind is really strong up here. Wood. Probably shouldn't disturb it.
There.
The snow is laying up here still because it's really cold. The snow is still laying up here because it's so cold.
Yeah.
No, guys, that was not a tree. I heard a beating sound again.
I heard a wind sound. No, that wasn't a wind sound.
That's not a tree. Trees don't make that noise. Trees make a sound, and that is a beep. That is a beep.
Stop back there. That's a sinkhole.
We're not going down there. I'm just following the trail. I'm not getting off the trail because there's snakes up here.
How?
Okay, guys, so after a lot of climbing up the hill, we didn't hear any more noises, but we made it to the tower finally.
Take some pictures of it, too.
So, the trail, that trail, if you want to keep going that way, it leads you to a big vast area of land where there's like literally no houses out there. And if you keep walking on that trail, you'll probably make it to Kerwinsville at some point. Well, at least that's the trail we took before. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.